Eto na, Cryptito here again, back with another video. And today, pag-usapan natin what is Tickmill, how to start kay Tickmill, how to deposit. But for now, papakita ko muna sa inyo kung paano mag-start kay Tickmill. So first, what is Tickmill ba? So if you are following me sa TikTok, I think or I hope na napanood mo yung content ko on 5 things na dapat mo hanapin sa isang trading platform. Kung di mo pa napapanood, nandyan yung link sa may baba. Ang maganda dito sa Tickmill, it checks all of those things. And so, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung website ni Tickmill sa PC View or web browser. Yan, Tickmill at 10 years old to si Tickmill. They were founded 2014 and then they start offering brokerage services ng 2015. So, technically, the company is 10 years old. They're offering CFD trading on commodities, stocks, metals, hanggang sa nagkaroon sila ng cryptocurrency. Ito naman yung mga license nila to operate as a CFD broker. These are globally recognized financial authorities by FSA, FCA, DFSA, SISEC, and FSCI. Regulations, and basahin nyo na lang ang details sa Tickmill/about/licenses and regulations. Ito naman yung mga awards nila. And basahin nyo na lang, isa sa inyo. Dami niya. Yan, nag-start yan 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. So yearly, they are being recognized as one of the best platform by multiple entities. Then syempre, just like what I said doon sa video ko sa TikTok, importante rin na itong mga platforms na to is mabilis mag-contact. Just in case kailangan natin ng support when it comes to concerns, issues, or pag may hindi ka alam gawin, you can contact them. Ito, meron silang chat support, may email, and then andito rin yung addresses nila just in case lang you need to go. And of course, you can contact them via the application. And so that's the overview. If you want to learn more about this ng more in-depth, I suggest na pumunta ka mismo dito sa website nila and busisiin mo yung platform or yung website and be familiarized with the things na in-offer nito ni Tickmill. Also important din na mag-check ka ng reviews about Tickmill, mag-check ka ng mga review website, check mo yung mga kakilala mo na may Tickmill. I've done my research and that's why magpasok ko ng pera ko dito. But again, hindi ko sinasabi na magpasok ka just because sinabi ko, your money, your call. So ako, pinapakita ko lang kung ano yung Tickmill and kung ano yung platform na ginagamit ko. Yung ipapasok ko dito is sarili kong pera. Now, I know most of my audience are using phones for trading. So let me show you Tickmill on a phone. First, to sign up with Tickmill, kung nakafollow ka sa akin sa TikTok, punta ka dito sa profile ko and then click this link. Then click mo itong start trading on Tickmill. Yan, pag lumabas to, you can start with that na or punta ka dito sa open in browser. Kung ayaw mong pupunta sa TikTok, andyan din yung sign up link sa my description nitong video. Yan, individual or corporate, proceed, personal data, just fill out those information. Check this if you are. Next mo lang. Yan, country of residence. Ito, select this Tickmill LTD. Select product, Forex, and CFDs. Ito, basahin mo to. Matapos, click mo next. Yan, fill out mo rin to. Then hit next. Yan, verify your email. After that, you can check your email. And makaka-receive ka dapat ng email na to and then hit mo tong verify email. There you go. Yan, to continue, nationality, Filipino. Namin mo dito, Philippines. Your SSS number. Then, residential area. To referral code, you can use mine if you want. I will appreciate if you use it. Yan, after mag-sign up, makaka-receive ka ng ganitong email. Then, again, this talks about the verification process. Yan, click mo lang tong login to client area. Ito. You'll be directed to this page, sign in ka lang, and then bibigyan na sa iyo instruction on how to upload your documents. Pagsisend din lang kayo ng dalawang ID or government ID, tapos proof of address. Pwedeng electrical bill or water bill. I think insurance is pwede or yung bank statement nyo kasi may address doon. Ako, what I used here is bank statement. Hindi nyo naman kailangan pakita yung mga transaction nyo, just yung top part na nagpapakita ng address nyo. Yan, pag everything is done, makaka-receive ka ng ganitong email naman na na-verify or na-approve na nila yung documents na sinend. After dito, download naman tayo ng Tickmill app. Next is download mo na yung application. It's Tickmill. Available yan sa iOS and sa Android. Then, login ka lang. Yan, login lang tayo. Yan, says magdi-deposit tayo. Deposit. And here are the payment providers or payment options. Pwede tayo magbayad via cryptocurrency, UnionPay, bank transfer, international transfer, Visa, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Skrill, and Netel. Ako, since magagaling yung pera ko sa crypto, let's select this. Ito, lagay mo dito yung amount. So, to-transfer tayo ng $2,000. Digital currency, gamitin natin is USDT TRC20. Mura at mabilis kasi itong USDT Tether kumpara dyan sa mga yun. Additional comment, you can leave this blank. So, basahin mo to if you want, then confirm deposit. Then yan, copy ko lang itong address na to. And then ako gagamitin ko is BingX. So, punta tayo sa BingX ko. Yan, so BingX yung gagamitin natin pang transfer. If you want to learn more about how to transfer or how to withdraw from BingX to other wallet, meron akong tutorial dyan. Nasa video description yung link o just click this na nasa screen. Yan, after ka mag-withdraw, balik tayo ngayon dito sa screen. Wait natin na mag-reflect kay Techmill yung payment natin. And currently, USD withdrawal is being under review. Sa BingX, makaka-receive ka ng email once tapos na or completed na yung withdrawal process. Yan, so nakaka-receive na tayo ng email. Na-receive na nila yung deposit. So, pumasok na yung funds natin from BingX. Yan, so this is your main wallet. Yan, so after this one, transfer naman natin siya dun sa mga accounts. Kung wala ka pa account, add new trading account. May option dito, no referral code. I have no referral code. You can use my referral code again. Or kung ginamit mo na yung code ko upon signing up, you can use this. So again, that's IB28850382. Again, that is my referral code. Trading platform, you can use MT5, MT4, and Techmill Trader. If beginner ka pa lang, ako i-suggest na MT4. Account type, classic lang. And leverage. For the leverage, depende sa yan. Kung mas conservative trader ka, pwedeng dito sa mga mabababa. Pero ako, I'll use this one. Okay, pero since meron na akong account, kung may account ka na, transfer na natin. So, transfer from your account. Ito yung may balance ko. Tapos, sending amount, $2,000. And then, transfer to MT4. Once done, makaka-receive ka ng email kay Techmill with your credentials for the MT4. Speaking of MT4, you need to download this MetaTrader 4 sa App Store and Google Play again for Android. There you go. So that is how to start with Techmill. Again, if you need further tutorial on how to withdraw from your other exchange, especially BingX, papunta sa Techmill is naandyan sa description ng video yung link. Yan. So if you're not a newbie, marunong ka na mag-trade, you can start using MT4 na and then you can trade on your own. If not, if you have other questions about Techmill, let me know sa comment section para maisama natin sa next video. Pwede ka ba nakasubscribe? Again, make sure na subscribe ka na and hit the bell notifications icon para updated ka sa mga future videos. See you in the next video.